come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Hello cowboys and cowgirls, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time without seeing you guys. I really missed you. So how you doing? For you who haven't subscribed, you see the red button on your right side, on your right side of your screen or your phone. Click it. It's absolutely free. Just follow me. Let's make a cowgirl squad. Anyway, today I'm here to talk of, first of all, to begin with, I had asked questions from the WhatsApp gang and I inquired what you want, guys. I tell you or discuss of. So I thought of something like, maybe some of you don't know about this. We have been, in Kenya, we have been changing our passports, right? It's a very document that you require for immigration from one country to another. So we had been told by 1st March of 2020, everybody to migrate from this passport to the blue one. So I'm here to tell you guys good news. The government decided to be gracious enough for us and add some more time for us, because there was a lot of like what do we call it, what word should I use, let me say like traffic in the stations that we are supposed to change the passport. We were so many that they decided to extend time for us, for you to migrate from the other passport. And so here I'm here to tell you that we were extended an entire year. So currently, for you who don't know, we are going to, this passport will not be valid in 2021 1st March. I hope you've heard there. We had been told it will expire this year, 2020 1st March, but at least you've been extended one more year to 2021 1st March. So what am I saying? If you haven't used your passport like me, utilize this entire year to travel as much as you can travel. I'm going to input to what kind of a passport is. I think it's called East African Community something passport. It's not navy blue like this one, it's actually light blue. So utilize this moment, this golden chance to travel. And I'm trying to say, guys, invite me to your countries, because I'm feeling pain, because I'm a 2-year holder. This is my 2nd year to hold this passport. It's supposed to be like a 10-year passport, and here came our government, decided to switch off from the new passport. So I was one of the complainants who was like, hey, I just got this passport just the other day, even haven't utilized it, and it's supposed to be for 10 years. And actually in Kenya, for this 10-year passport, it is accumulatively something to do with $70 US, that is actually 7,000, and you haven't counted the transport of the place or the station you are going to, and you haven't even counted the struggle and the stress of applying it. And I was feeling so much like I'm stolen, because I haven't utilized this passport. So once this year we have extended, we have been extended, I'm really aiming to utilize it to the fullest, because honestly it's still blank, because places like Mombasa or something, you can't use a passport, you just need an ID. So I was to tell you guys, for you, the people in diaspora, I've already gotten to research of places you're supposed to go and change your passport. So you out there, don't have worries. You have no deadline to travel. You can still utilize your navy blue passport till 2021 on 1st March. And for people in Europe, you have several locations to go. In diaspora, we have Berlin. Berlin is in where? Yeah, we have Berlin in Germany, Paris, and London, where you can go and change your passport. And for the US people, you have the station in Washington, DC. And for we Kenyans, no. And for the Gulf, we have the Dubai city. You can change your passport there in the Kenyan embassy. And in South Africa, we got Joburg. Joburg is Johannesburg. It's where you can change your passport if you're in South Africa. Those are the actual spots. And you can repeat, I can repeat, that is Paris, Berlin, and London in Europe, and then Washington DC in USA, and then in the Gulf it is Dubai city, and then in South Africa you just go down to Joburg and you'll get your passport done in all Kenyan embassies. For Kenya, sisi watu local people, for me who's around Mount Kenya and its surroundings, that is akina Isiolo, akina Meru, akina Mwea, akina Kirogoya, akina Nyeri, akina those places. If you need to change your passport from blue, this other kawaida Republic of Kenya passport, to the East African Community blue passport, it's actually like, I call it light blue or sky blue or turquoise blue, that whatever color you call it, but it's quite lighter. You need to go to Embu. Embu County is where we are getting our new passport. They have a station there. For people in Nyanza, the places like Kisumu, this is like Kimilil, places like Elgeyo Marakwet, you have one in Kisii. That's where you can get your new passport. People in Kakamega, like the likes of Eldoret, you can go to Eldoret. People in Nakuru, you have a station there. And one more, Nairobi, of course, near your house. It has to be there. And there's one more. Yeah, there's Embu, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kisii, and Nairobi. Yeah, there are 5 of them. So those are the places you can go and change your passport. So guys, don't say I didn't steal this information for you, because some of you maybe didn't access the internet and didn't get to know the news, but we have been added an entire year to utilize this passport before we migrate to the other passport. So here I am, your call girl needs invites. I need to be stamped on like 1,000 times in this passport before it expires, because it's paining me that it's going to expire next year, March 21st, 2021 on 1st March. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys, and I hope this will help you, or it has given you insights, or you have gotten informed. Kindly, it's absolutely free. Click the notification bell for you to get all my updates, and kindly share around for people, for your cousins. Show your cousins, your uncles who are not aware, the people in diaspora who haven't gotten this info, because I know some people will be like, oh my god, my passport is expiring, how am I going to allocate where I'm going to get the passport? Oh my god, I need to go home in Kenya and I need to move from this place to this place, so that they don't get stuck. Give them the information that yeah, we have been extended an entire year, so that there is no much of like. And by the way, because Kenyans are used to I'm one of them, like, yo, I'm not in a hurry, like, yo, it's an entire year. Take this opportunity to migrate to the other passport, to avoid too much traffic at the stations, because there are less stations and we are too many holders of this document. It's a very important document, because as much as you want to come from this country to another country, whether it's Caribbean, whether it's Europe, whether you want to go wherever, you can't move without this document. It's quite it's just like an ID. So for we holders, we need to take this opportunity and migrate to the rest of the new East Africa. I'm going to post how it looks like down here, so that you see how roughly it looks like, because actually it's not this color. So for you who are thinking, oh, you can just change the page, you can actually inside is usually like this. Some of you, I know, they were thinking the actual first page is actually even different. You see, the way you would think, oh, I'll just change the cover. these things have already changed. I've seen that new passport is totally actually different. And some of you might be asking, are you going to be given this number? You see, like now mine is actually B21 72 31. It's going to migrate to another new number. You see, it's actually changing, completely changing. As soon as I get the new one, I'm going to show you how it looks like. It's going to change completely. So there's no way you can decide, oh my god, I just can use this one. As soon as 2021 gets to next year and we get to March, this passport for me, it will be an invalid document. So take this opportunity, guys. I'm here to advocate to get your new passport. And meanwhile, as you get your new passport, utilize this document. Travel as much as you can, because they have been extended and that's very good. Anyway, that's all for today. I'm really happy. Thank you for watching and listening to my rambling and rambling. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. And always remember, work hard and have good intentions. Good day. Bye.